What's happening, y'all? There's something new I'm trying to get y'all a day trade play on Sundays. If you're new to day trading or have experienced day trading, like and subscribe. But today I'm gonna give you a play on Apple. I'm gonna break down the play and I'm gonna let you know how I'm gonna do the play tomorrow. First thing you gotta take in consideration is the overall market, right? The market is kind of on a downtrend as of recently. And if you look at the fear and greed index, the market is currently in extreme fear. So you got to keep that in mind of where the market is going. The market is currently going down. But I'm going to actually play Apple to the upside on Monday. So I'm going to give you the play right now so you can see what's happening. I'm going to give you examples in the corner, show you the chart, show you some levels and how to play this. And if all of these things don't play out, I'm not playing it. I'll sit out for the day and I'll do something else. But this is my play for tomorrow. So with Apple, looking at the charts, right, I see a bull flag. I see a double bottom and I see the 3 white soldiers. The bull flag usually has a double bottom in it, so it's a strong trend going to the upside when you're looking at that pattern. And I see the 3 white soldiers. The 3 white soldiers is a bullish pattern for the stock to go to the upside. Apple's current stock price is 168 and the VWAP is 168.12. So that's giving me another positive that Apple is gonna go in the uptrend. Now remember, all the analysis can be on point, and sometimes the stock could do something else. So I want to give y'all certain things to look at. If the stock do this, then you do this. You know what I'm saying? Take a look at what's happening and make your move accordingly. I'm playing this to the upside, but at a certain point, I could play it down. I could close out on that trade and play it downward to the downside. So somewhere on this screen, I drew certain levels for y'all to pay attention to for Apple tomorrow if you want to do the same play that I'm playing. I got 2 levels of support. So first, I'm gonna talk about support and resistance. I got 2 levels of support that I drew out for y'all and 1 level of resistance. First level of support is at like 167.5. If it goes in a downward direction and it goes to that point, it should bounce off and go back up. But if it doesn't, the next level of support is 166.87. Now, with support and resistance is not a definite. It can always break through support and turn support into resistance, or it can always break through resistance and turn resistance into support. But you want to pay attention to that, because if it does break through your support levels, then you know you can get out of that trade. Your analysis might have been wrong and you save yourself to trade for another day. You don't lose too much capital. And the level of resistance I'm seeing is around 169. I also drew out some trend lines for y'all. If you look at the trend line, the stock is moving in an upward direction. So I got so many signals giving me this confirmation that Apple is going up tomorrow morning. This is how I'm gonna play this trade. I'm gonna pay attention to the stock in pre-market before the market opens. And if it creates a gap up, that's a confirmation. I'm going with the trade bullish. Looking for that next level of support looking for that next level of resistance, to get out of that trade. If the stock happens to do a gap down, then I'm not doing that trade at all. I'll save my next trade for Tuesday. So if it does a gap up, that's confirmation on my trade. I'm trading bullish. If there's no gap, then I'm gonna still do the trade. If there's a gap down, then I'm not doing the trade at all. If you see Apple hit a certain level of resistance, that could mean it's coming back down because the market is fearful right now. So that does have a role to play in which direction that the stocks move. Apple will shoot up at the beginning of the day, but it could end the day lower than it started. So play the move, stay in the market, get in the market, get out, take profits, and dip. Don't stay in there all day. This video might be real short, but this is something that I'm gonna try to do on a consistent basis, at least once every Sunday, to give y'all a play for Monday and give you a little day trading education, let you know the moves that I'm making for Monday. And at a certain point, I'll start doing this every day so I can give you daily plays. I'm like the Money Motivator, man. Y'all like and subscribe. Get this money out here in the stock market, and don't let the stock market get your money.